Listen here. Type 2. Type 2. Example 2.4. Resolve into the false fraction. Here, the leading factor. This is also leading factor, but the whole square is there. This is the question. Write the question. What I told you? A by first factor. B by is square now. Without square first. C by with the square. This is the type 2. The whole square involving inside bracket leading factor. Without square now, that's why A by x factor. With the square meaning, first you write B by x plus without square, then C with the square. Now what I told you, the denominator is the same thing only. That only cancel now. This will cancel. That's why this is the LCM. This will cancel. Okay? Now x here. Now what I told you now, A into x minus 1 already there. What is it? X plus 1 whole square. Over. Then b into x plus 1. The x plus 1 whole square is there. 1 x plus 1 is there. 1 more x plus 1 into x minus 1 remaining quantity. C into x plus 1 whole square already is there. What remaining quantity? You write remaining quantity. That's very important. Clearly, the whole square involving me without square, with the square. This is leading factor to A by something. Now, A, B, C involving. After taking LCM, denominator always cancel. What I told you, denominator will cancel. To find here, to find A, B and C. What is the first thing inside bracket? X plus 1. That's why put x equal to minus 1. Left hand side, x is minus 1. Right hand side, x is minus 1 means minus 1 plus 1 0. 0 whole square is 0 plus b into minus 1 plus 1 0. Automatically here also minus 1 is minus 2. But here minus 0 no? 0 is something. If it is x is minus 1 means minus 1 plus 1 0 means 0 into something else 0. Now c into minus 1 minus 1. Am I right? Minus 1 equal to 0 plus 0 plus b into minus I. C into minus 2. That is minus 2c equal to minus 1. Am I right? Now we want c no? For 2c equal to 1. C equal to 1 is the first answer. Next is what? Here first inside bracket x plus 1. Change the sign. We get the answer c value. Now what is next inside bracket? We have only 2 terms. I am putting minus 1, we have the first answer. Next is what? Minus 1 is there. Put x to 1. Suppose you put minus x to first 1, then minus 1. That is not a matter. The denominators are 2 terms are there. X minus 1 up x to 1. Substitute x to 1. We get the one answer. X to plus 1. Change sign. Minus 1. We get another answer. Anyway, you both the number, we get the 2 answer. Now minus 1, we get a c value. Now put plus 1. Left hand side 1. Left hand side x is 1. A into 1 plus 1 whole square. B into here 1 plus 1 2. But here 1 minus 1 0. So 0 is 0 only. Here also 0. What is the x is 1. 1 minus 1 0. Now 1 equal to a into 2 square 0. This is 4a equal to 1. Or 4a equal to 1. Am I right? A equal to 1. Next answer. Yeah, denominator what? Only 2 brackets are there. Change sign, get 2 answer. To find b no. What is the method? Easy method no? Equating the coefficient x square. Next is what? Equating x square term. Am I right? In left hand side, no x square term, that's a 0. In right hand side, x plus 1 whole square no. By using the formula x square, the coefficient x square is what? A. X is x square. The coefficient x square b a plus b. That's all. Now a already find now 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4 equal to b. Or b equal to minus 1 by 4. This is the answer. Now what I told you? Write the question. This is the question. equal to 1 by 4. A is what? 1 by 4 into x minus 1 plus b is what? Minus 1 by 4 x plus 1. Next, c is what? 1 by 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square. Now simplify 1 by 4 into x minus 1 minus 1 by 4 into x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 whole square. This is the answer. This type of question part 5 question. Some lengthy calculation. You will find the value A, B, C, and also here there are only two brackets are there. The sign, change the sign, x equal to 1, change sign, x equal to minus 1. In this way, we get two answers. To find third answer name, e equal to x squared term. In this way, you will find the value of b. After substitute a value, b value, c value in the question. That is the answer. Here is part 5 question. Now next question, example 2.5. Resolve into partial fraction. X plus 1 divided by x minus 2 whole square. Leading factor, but x minus there. Now write the question, x plus 1 by x minus 2 whole square, x plus 3. What I told you, a by x minus 2 whole square means without square. Then b by with square, c by 1x plus 3. Leading factor, without square is only mean c by something else. Square is only mean first one without square, then with square denominator. That is not a matter. Now, already told you, denominator is not maybe that we can't say no. The denominator, the water baby, that is called LCM. Then only the both will be cancelled. Now, a into listen here, denominator is what? X minus 2. Here x minus 2 whole square is there. That means what? X minus 2 into x minus 2. One x minus 1 is there. The remaining one is what? One more x minus 2 into x plus 3. Okay, x minus 2 into x plus 3. This is the first one. B into denominator is what here? X minus whole square. Here also x minus whole square. What is the remainder? Only x plus 3. C into x plus 3 is there. The remainder is x minus 2 whole square. In this way, you want to write remainder. Now, immediately afterwards, to find a, B and C. What is the first thing in the bracket? Minus 2 is there. That is 2 x equal to. The left hand side, 2 plus 1. Right hand side, a into 2 minus 2, 0. 0 into something 0. Need not put here 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Need not write. Yeah, here x is 2 mean, 2 minus 0 mean, into 0 into something 0. Plus b into 2 plus 3 here. But last one is c into 2 minus 2, 0. 0 square of 0. Am I right? Now 3 equal to 0 plus b into 5 plus 0. Therefore, 5b equal to here 3. Am I right? 5b equal to 3. We want b 3 by 5. This is the answer. X minus 2 is there. Put x equal to, we get the answer b. Next bracket is what? X plus 1, 3, x plus 3. That's why change sign, x equal to minus 3. In left hand side, minus 3 plus 1. You will consider left hand side also. The whatever may be, x involved mean x equal to minus 3 plus 1. Right hand side, a into, suppose I put x equal to minus 3 here, minus 3 plus 3, 0. 0 is 0. 0. B into here also, minus 3 plus 3, 0. C into here, minus 3 minus 2 whole square. Subtract both, minus 2, 0, 0. C into minus 5 whole square. Am I correct? Minus 2 equal to C into this is 25. Because minus 5 whole square becomes minus 5 into minus 5. Minus into minus plus 5 is 25. For 25 C is equal to minus 2. C equal to minus 2 by 25. Am I correct? Here only inside by x plus 2, x plus 3 is there. Put x equal to one answer, x equal to minus 3 another answer. Now equivalent x square term. equality. Left hand side, no x square, that is 0. Right hand side, x is x square, in front of x square, a is there, only a. Here no x term, no x square term. But here, x minus the whole square, no. First one is what? A square, x square. X square means in front of x square, c plus c. Am I right? We got plus c. Now c value is what? Minus 2 by 25. But 2 by 25 is equal to a. Am I right? So a is 2 by 25. Now write the question. What is the question? X plus 1 by x minus 2 whole square. This is the question. Equal to a divided by a is 2 by 25 by x minus 2 whole square plus b is what? 3 by 5 by x minus 2 whole square plus c is what? Minus 2 by 25 here x plus 3. Now simplify 2 divided by 25 into x minus 2. Am I right? Plus 3 by 5 into x minus 2 whole square minus 2 divided by 25 into x plus 3. In this way, you write the answer. This is the answer. That's why this is important 5 mark question. The whole square involving somewhat extra calculation. Because you will find the value A, B, C also. That's why somewhat extra okay, and also so many classes coming. This is the easy method to find the value A, B, C. You know, some more method also is there. Equating x term, constant term, x square term. In this way, equating, form the equation, solve the equation. There is somewhat extra work. This is easy method. Inside the bracket, whatever may be, change sign, we get the answer. One not equality. Next mutation minus b, other answer will be. Then we get x square term, substitute the previous value, we get one more value. After substitute the a value, b value, c value in the question, we get answer. This is about a final question. Now, again, take to example 2.6. Resolve into the force fraction 9 divided by x minus 1, x plus 2 whole square. The previous one, first square is there, in x square is there. That is not a matter. Now, write the question. A by only b by x minus 1. Yeah, next b by x plus 2 whole square, no, without square. Next with the square. Am I right? That's all. First square is only mean a by x minus 1, b by x minus 1 whole square. But again, last one is square, no? B by x plus 1 without square, with the square. Now, I already told you, denominator, the same way the denominator. Denominator x plus 2 whole square, no? This is denominator. The LCM also same thing will come. Then only both will be cancelled. Am I right? Now, what I told you, denominator is x minus 1. Already x minus 1 is there. What do you mean that? A into x plus 2 whole square, am I right? Plus b into x plus 2 whole square means x plus 2 into x plus 2. One x plus 1 is there. The remaining x plus 2 and x minus 1 is there. C into x plus 2 whole square is there. The remainder only x minus 1. Now, previous idea to find a, b and c. The first thing is the bracket. Plus 2 is there, no? Minus 2. In left hand side, no x term, only 9 will come. Right hand side, minus 2 plus 2, 0. 0 square also 0. Plus b into here, minus 2 plus 2, 0. Plus c into minus 2 minus 1. Am I right? 9 equal to 0 plus 0 plus c into minus 3. Minus 3c equal to 9. 3c equal to minus 9. We want c. C equal to minus 9 by 3. That is minus 3. That's all. Next is what? X minus 1. X plus 2 always there. X plus 2, same thing. Next x minus 1. Put the x equal to 1. Left hand side, no x term. Only 9 is there. Right hand side, a into 1 plus 2 whole square. Plus, here when x is 1 mean 1 minus 1 0 mean 0 into something, the whole thing will be 0. C indicate W. 9 equal to a into 3 square plus 0 plus 0. 9a. अब a equal to what? 9 by 9. Next is what? Equating x square term. Equating x square term. Left hand side no x square term. Well, 97. That's a 0. Right hand side x plus the whole square no x square a. Only a. Here x is x square. Input x to b. Only plus b. Here only x is no x square. That's all. A is what? 1. Am I right? B equal to -1. Now write the question. 9 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 whole square equal to a. A is what? 1 by x minus 1 plus b is what? Minus 1 by x plus 2 plus c is what? Minus 3 by x plus 2 whole square. Am I right? Therefore 1 by x minus 1 plus minus 1 by x plus 2 plus minus 3 by x plus 2 whole square. This is a 5%. All three was same method. The whole square. The square is not here or here. This is a method. The square is not in first square term square or second method. Same method only. Am I right? With the square is not in first side. Without square, then with the square. This is idea. That's all. Listen here. Exercise 2.1. Third question. Resolve into partial fraction of 1 divided by x minus 1 x plus 2 whole square. The previous question. Previous one 9 by something sir. Instead of 9 is only sir. Same question. Instead of 9 only sir. The same thing. 1 by something. A by x minus 1. B by without square. C by with square. Take LCM. The denominator is LCM cancel. Now what I told you? X minus 1 is there. Remainder is x plus 2 whole square. X plus 2 whole square means x plus 2 and x plus 2. Already one x plus 2 is there. Remainder is x plus 2 and x minus 1. X plus 2 whole square is there. Remainder is x minus 1. To find a b c. The same thing only. When x is equal to minus 2. Left hand side 1. Right hand side is what? 0. Again 0. Plus c into minus 2 minus 1. Am I right? 1 equal to 0 plus 0 plus c into minus 3. Minus 3c equal to 1. So 3c equal to minus 1. So c equal to minus 1 by 3. So first answer. So x is equal to plus 1. Left side 1 plus 1 whole square. B into 0. C into 0. Am I right? Because x is 1 is 1 minus 1 0. 0 is 0. Only one term will come. Okay, 1 equal to a into side 2. 3 square plus 0 plus 9a. 9a equal to 1. A equal to 1 by 9. Similarly, equating x square term. Left hand side always 0 because no x square term. Right hand side x square a. Here x is to b. Okay? This is 1 by 9. Minus 1 by 9 equal to b. Therefore, b equal to 1 by 9 minus 1 by 9. Right, the question, the same thing. A divided by 1 by 9 divided by x minus 1 plus b minus 1 by 9 divided by x plus 2 whole square plus c is what? Minus 1 by 9 3 into x plus 2 without square with square. Am I right? That's all. Therefore, 1 by 9 into x minus 1 minus 1 by 9 into x plus 2 minus 1 by 3 into x plus 2. This answer. That's all. This is all by 1%. The whole square. Example 3 brought over in exercise 3, 5, 7. It is a 3 problems are there. Total 6 problems are there. This model. Whole square formula. Whole square. Denominator without without square with square. In this way, we get 6 problems are there. All are important final question. Thorough all the problem. Now, exercise 2.1, fifth question. I want to complete all the second problem. We got 4 problems already completed. First model. Resolve into the partial fraction x minus 2 divided by x plus 2, x minus 2 whole square. Now the same thing, write the question. A by x plus 2, b by without square x minus 1, c by with square. Now what I told you? This is denominator, no? This LCM also, the same thing will come. Then only this will be cancelled. Am I right? X minus 2. In denominator x plus 2 is there, the remaining is what? X minus 1 whole square. So A into x minus 1 whole square plus b into x minus 1 whole square means x minus 1 into x minus 1. 1 x minus 1 is there, the remaining terms are x plus 2 into x minus 1 plus c into x minus 1 whole square, the remaining terms are x plus 2. In this way, you want to test the LCM. Now to find a, b, and c, put first insert by x minus 1, no, put x equal 1. Here left hand side x is there, replace x by only here as well as here also. Am I right? Now this is minus 1, 0, 0, c into 3. Am I right? 3c equal to minus 1. 3c equal to minus 1. Am I right? c equal to minus 1 by 3. This is the first answer. Similarly, x equal to minus 2. The x is equal to minus 2. Left hand side also x is there. Minus 2, minus 2. Here minus 2, minus 1 whole square. b into x is minus 2 means minus 2 plus 2, 0. Here also minus 2 plus 0. Only one time will come. Now minus 4 equal to a into minus 3 whole square. A into minus 3 whole square is what? 9. Cross multiply. A equal to minus 4 by 8 is answer. Similarly, in this model, equating x square term. Left hand side no x square term as a 0. Right hand side x minus 1 whole square, no, x square a. The front of in front of x square, the whole x square is a. X into x square, x into x square, the b is plus b. Minus 4 by 9. Am I right? Now 4 by 9 equal to b. Therefore 4 by 9. Now write the question and then substitute. X minus 2 divided by x plus 2 into x minus 1 whole square equal to a minus 4 by 9 divided by x plus 2. Next, b 4 by 9 by x minus 1. c minus 1 by 3 by x minus 1 whole square. Now the answer is minus 4 by 9 into x plus 2 plus 4 by 9 into x minus 1 minus 1 by 3 into x minus 1 whole square. This is the answer. I told you this is one important question. The whole square involving this is the format. Am I right? That's all. Now exercise 2.1, seventh question. Resolve into the partial fraction x square minus 6x plus 2 times what? Square. Here x is square, this is linear factor, square, x plus 2 linear factor. But that means what? Square is what you know. A by without square, b by with square, c by x plus 2. Am I correct? X square, x means what? X minus 0 whole square. The same thing. The whole square is what I mean. A by without square, b by with square, c by this one. In this way you want it. Once again told you, the denominator is what? X square and x plus 2. Numerator same thing. Here, the denominator is what? Here also, the LCM is what? Same thing. Then only this will be cancelled. Mind it. Okay? A into here x is there. But x is what? X square. X square and x into x. 1x cancel. 1x into x plus 2. X into x plus 2. Plus b into x square is there. Remainder x plus 2. C into x plus 2 already is there. Remainder x square. Am I right? Now automatically cancel. Now to find a b. To find A, B, C. What I told you, put x is equal to, there only x is there. That means what? X equal to 0. No, 0. Put x equal to 0 in left hand side, 0 square, 0. 6 into 0, 0. Plus 2, right? Equal to A into x 0 means the whole thing will be 0. B into 0 plus 2. C into 0 square, 0. Only 2 is there. 2 plus 2b plus 0. For 2b equal to 2. Am I right? Therefore, b equal to 2 by 2. Am I right? Cancel it one time. This is the value of b. Next is what? X plus 2 is there. Put x equal to minus 2. Left hand side, x square minus 2 whole square. The previous problem, denominator is what? 1 is there. 1 over 9 is there. Left hand side, no x means need not substitute the x value. But here, left hand side also, x square is there, x is there. Replace this x by minus 2. Minus 2 whole square, minus 6 into minus 2, plus 2. In this way, you want to substitute left hand side also. Important. Minus 2, 6 into minus 2, plus 2. You got a into x is minus 2. But here x is what? Minus 2 plus 0 means the whole thing will be 0. Next one also, minus 2 plus 0, b into 0. Last one is x square minus 2 whole square. Am I right? Now this is 4 plus 12 plus 2, 0, 0, minus 2 whole square is 4. Add on value 14, 18. 4c equal to 18. C equal to 18 by 4. That is what? 9 by 2. Then 3 is model equating x square term. Listen here. Denominator having product of 3 linear terms. Put x equal to change the sign. Put x equal to 3 values are automatically got answer A, B, C. But here only two terms are there. That's it. To find the value of C and B by using x equal to 0, x equal to minus 2. The third answer equal to x square term. The left hand side also, the co-x square is what? What is there? Previous problem, left hand side, no x square term, that's why you have 0. But here, left hand side, x square term is what? Here is there. The co-x square is 1, x into x square is a. Here x plus 2, no x square term, but x square, co-x square c plus c. C already find out 9 by 2. 1 minus 9 by 2 equal to A. Okay? 2 is LCM. 2 minus 7 equal to A. So A equal to minus 7 by 2. In this way it comes. Somewhat x out. But previous question, left hand no x square term, there is 0. But here numbers are there. That's why the number comes this side, take LCM, that should be right. Now write the question. X square minus 6x minus 2 by x square into x plus 2. This is the question. Afterwards, substitute all the value. A value is what? Minus 7 by 2 divided by x plus b is what? 1 by x square. C is what? Plus 9 by 2 by x plus 2. Therefore, minus 7 by 2x plus 1 by x square, 9 by 2 into x plus 2. That's all. In this way, you find the answer. Anyway, by using 2 term, but 1 term is square. Denominator having product of two terms. But one term is whole square involving me. This is the method. I did all the 6 problems. Am I right? I did all the 6 problems. This model, all the problems are completely over. Then, sorry, one more problem also is there. Totally, how many problems? In exercise 3, 5, 7, 9, 4 problem. Example 3 problem. Totally, this one 7 problems are there. Because that's why I did all the problems. Type 2, exercise 2.1, 9th question. In type 2, this is the last question. Already told you in exercise 3, 5, 7, 9. This 4 problem. Example 3 problem. Total 7 problems are type 2. Here, product of 2 terms are there, but one term is what? The whole square is there. What I told you? A by the first factor, B by x plus 3 whole square now, without square, C by with square. Okay? In this way, you write. Next step, the same thing you want to put again. Now what I told you? Diameter is what? The same thing will come. No change. Then only this will cancel. Am I right? Here diameter is what? X minus 1. What is the limit? This is x plus 3. Now a into x plus 3 whole square plus b into x plus 3 whole square means x plus 3 into x plus 3. 1 x plus 1 is there. The remaining terms are x minus 1 x plus 3. C into x plus 3 whole square. Remaining term 1 x minus 1. Am I right? Now, to find A, comma B and C. Am I right? Inside bracket here, minus plus 3, no, minus 3. Left hand side, minus 3 plus 2. Right hand side, minus 3 plus 3, 0. Here, minus 3 plus 3, 0. Here only C is minus 3 minus 1. Here minus 1, 0, 0, C into minus 4. So minus 4C equal to minus 1, 4C equal to 1, C equal to 1 by 4. Alright? Next, put x equal to minus 1, no, plus 1. Same the sign. Left hand side, 1 plus 2. Right hand side, A into 1 plus 3 whole square. The remaining terms are B into 1 minus 1, 0. 0 is something also 0. The whole thing 0. C into 0. Yeah? X is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Here 3. A into 4 square plus 0 plus 0. 16A. What is the answer? 16A equal to 3. A equal to 3 by 16. Second answer over. Now equating x square term. Left hand side no x square term. That is 0. Right hand side x plus 3 whole square now. X first term is for x square. In front of x square a. Next x is x square. B is b. Here no x square term. Now a is what? 3 by 16 plus b. Minus 3 by 16 equal to b. Therefore b equal to minus 3 by 16. Now write the question and substitute all the value. Therefore x plus 2 by x minus 1 into x plus 3 whole square. Am I correct? X plus 2 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 3 whole square. Now a is what? 3 by 16 into x minus 1 plus b is what? Minus by 3 by 16 into x plus 3 plus c is what? 1 by 4 divided by x plus 3 whole square. Now 3 by 16 into x minus 1 minus 3 by 16 into x plus 3 plus 1 by 4 into x plus 3 whole square. Is clear? Some mistake will come. Do the calculation sincerely. Methods are very simple because I did all the problem in exercise question number 3, question number 5, question number 7, question number 9. These 4 problems are denominated product of 2 terms, but 1 term is square, the whole square is involving. That means what? Without square, with the square, this way 1 right. Example problems 3 problems. Totally 3, 5, 7, 9, 4 problem, exercise problem. 3 problem, example problem. Totally 7 problem this model. Because this is very important 5 mark question. Next class I will complete remaining problem. But anyway, in algebra, first exercise very important for 5 mark question. Thorough well, study well. Today that's all.